Business automation is a procedure whereby organizations use innovation and technology to arrange and organize their personnel and processes. Processes here mean the arrangement of activities that move your business towards a specific objective. Business automation, or business process automation, merely permits a PC, or a computerized machine does all the heavy manual tasks for you. Today, automation goes past day-to-day traditional data management to cutting-edge software systems and frameworks that coordinate and integrate all your processes. Business process automation can likewise allow your organization to keep up control over issues, for example, customer relationships, sales, planning, analytics, standardization, and advancement. It targets muddled data technology errands such as dealing with your framework clients and investigating network issues and programs like email and marketing services. Business process automation underpins your insight and that of your workers. It also limits operational costs, opening up the workforce to perform more elevated level assignments that increase its value. Customers become happier when you can help them promptly and cut down on human blunder. In organizations where relationships are imperative, business automation can fundamentally improve human interaction and decision-making and make ongoing straightforwardness. Time-saving and efficient. Time set aside implies additional money for you. To most successful organizations, time is hallowed. Staff can spend endless hours performing redundant tasks. More often than not, the team works longer than required to play out these errands on schedule. This way kills the morale and enthusiasm of the employees, hence unproductivity. Employees are currently allowed to increase the value of the business. Besides, they would now be able to invest more energy fabricating better and more useful reports. By automation, time saves, and you can even have additional time committed to your loved ones. Improved customer care. Customers get annoyed easily by organizations with incapable of customer service systems. Some will even never utilize an organization again if they can't get in touch with them effectively, say over the phone. It is a reality that not all organizations can stand to run a call center to adapt to demand. Automated phone lines have permitted both small and huge organizations to care for an enormous client base without demolishing their reputation and leaving themselves unfit to manage client questions. Organizations that use automated phone lines can program them to take messages for inquiries, take payments, and to furnish customers with a measure of traditional data management that a human phone operator might struggle to recollect. A "Contact Us" link on your site is an excellent step to keeping up communication with your customers, or potential clients. Should you have it, the number of emails and inquiries individuals post to you anticipating your answer as reaching you is made simpler. Having the "Contact Us" form on your site will save a customer the tedious process of copying-paste your email address to the email before creating the message. You're bound to respond to such messages quicker. Reduce labor costs. In bulk, multiple employers and business entrepreneurs will recruit many employees, adequately impressive to embrace the missions and stay aware of deadlines and the busy workload. Sometimes, employers pay a lot to outsourced agencies or individuals to assist them with specific tasks. Automation is the best solution to such cases as it plays out the tasks notwithstanding how complex they might be, setting aside you vast loads of cash you would spend to pay additional employees. Besides, risks and other manual-related issues, such as human errors, are disposed of, hence improving its primary concern. Better control of your business. Automating your business permits you to gather all parts of the work process into one dashboard so that you can screen and monitor all your processes both in current and previous states. You can handle and control operations by managing task reviews, data processing, and access. Business automation permits you to settle informed decisions and track your business's exhibition, thus ready to anticipate future events. Not exclusively will the employers and stakeholders be happy. However, the employees will be dazzled and more productive. Realize who is doing what, when, how, and what necessities to happen next to meet your needs. Improve the productivity and speed of your business measures. All organizations are hoping to improve the proficiency of their day-to-day business processes. If you genuinely need to put forth attempts in becoming efficient, you need to make automation a part of your way of life. With automated processes, you can lessen manual errors and inefficiency associated with human work. It's tied in with decreasing unnecessary wastage of time in manual steps. With automation, your processes take significantly less time, and the audit process turns out to be considerably more straightforward. These days, most information is put away on the cloud, and these frameworks are effectively available to you across gadgets. It implies you can undoubtedly add little automation to your processes and improve your productivity without extra expense. Eliminating possible business surprises. To develop your business, you need to kill every single imaginable astonishment and plan out your work in like manner. Even though it might appear to be difficult to dispense with business surprises, you can generally run after diminishing vulnerabilities to a limited degree. Ordinarily, vulnerabilities come to you in the form of last-minute cancellations. It prompts unproductive void gaps in your timetable, which implies a waste of your time and company's assets. Cancellations are something other than minor inconvenience and annoyance. It brings about lost revenues and change in your schedule, eventually prompting low productivity and increased costs. Conclusion. We live in the digital world, and with the advancement of technology and its application, you could turn out very rapidly. You can accomplish more in your business in 2021 by essentially getting on board with the automation bandwagon.